Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have an unboxing thing to do. It's something that I've been wanting and I've been waiting for like weeks now. I just got it 2 or 3 days ago and I can't wait to unbox it with you. So if you guys want to know what it is, then let's do it. So I got some exciting stuff from Burga.com and their website is linked down below for you guys to check it out. So immediately my first impression on this one is I love the fact that it came with these dust bags, but I just wish that they also have it for the MacBook cases. So I purchased 4 iPhone cases, and the first one that I have here is this marble printed pattern which is called Mystic River in their website. As you can see, it has the Burga logo on it, but it's not too noticeable, which I love. The next one is also in marble printed pattern, and they call this one Emerald Pool in their website. What I love about these first two is that it's very trendy and the color combinations are so cool. The next one is this white one which is called Glacial Desert, and the last one, but certainly not the least, is called the Reaper's Touch. So on to the MacBook cases. I have 2 of them, and this is the first one that I got to match the first iPhone case that I showed earlier, Mystic River. For the prices and more information on these items, I have them all listed in the description box below to those of you who are interested. The second MacBook case is this beautiful marble printed pattern as well, to match my other iPhone case, Reeper's Touch. Overall, I love every single one of them. I love that it's very sleek, very modern, fancy, trendy, lightweight, and it claims to be scratch resistant and non-fading prints as well. Here are the photos of the iPhone cases on my phone. I don't feel any difference as it is very lightweight, except that it made my phone look very pretty and stylish. So this is how the Mystic River looks like on my MacBook. And this is how the Reaper's Touch looks like. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos.